My fiancé slept with his cousin, so I outed him on TikTok. Am I the jerk for outing my fiancé and his vile affair? I, 21, and my fiancé, 32, have been engaged for a year. We met when I was pregnant with my child. It was so magical. He came into my life and was there for me every day, taking me to doctor appointments, the store, and bringing food. He drove me to the hospital when I entered labor, all before we started dating. We got together when my child was about 6 months old, and we dated for 2 years before he proposed. Not long after, he filled the switch, started drinking, and became verbally and mentally abusive. I was isolated and didn't have much family. I guess that and not having parents made it easy for him to keep me there. About half a year into the engagement, our intimacy life was non-existent. He would get so drunk he would pass out and be dead to the world. He also had no personal hygiene to the point he pissed his pants daily and never showers. Not only that, but his constant abuse leaves me drier than KFC biscuits. He stopped helping with my son, even stopped working entirely, and relied on my assistance to cover rent and bills. Without hiding it in the box spring, I could never have any extra money in the house. He would take all the